Okay, I am back and ready to paint my background. As it turns out, guess what? Mrs. Walker decided she liked her green leaf the best because it has the most contrast between the colors. I really am disappointed in the orange, and I remember when I told you that orange is kind of hard to see. That's why I recommended red or green, because when we paint over the orange, it's hard to see the vein lines in there, so I don't like my orange one as much. I wish I had just done either red or green, but it's okay. It still looks pretty. It's just not like how I would really want it. Okay, so now we're going to do the background. We're not going to use red, orange, or yellow. We're going to forget all about those colors. We're going to use our big brush, and we're going to start with these colors. Now when you paint with these, first of all, they're dry to start with, so you do have to wake them up. I think I'm going to start with blue. I've got my brush full of water. If you want to get a really brilliant blue, you're going to have to stir it a little bit, okay? And then I don't want the whole background to be blue, so I'm just going to streak some blue lines through here. And then I'm going to dip my brush into water and wake up the purple. And I'm going to put a little bit of purple, and I'm going to just let them blend together. Did you see how I did that right on the edge there? I kind of touched it into the blue, and I pulled some of the blue into my purple, and it actually changed the color of my purple. Did you see how I did that? So here's the purple, and here's a kind of a bluer purple. As I mix it, I'm going to take a little more blue. I want them to kind of mix together, so I'm like kind of like running into one and the other. We don't want to run into our leaves though. When I get close to the leaf, I'm taking my time. I'm going really carefully around the edge, because I know I have that black crayon, but I still don't want to get that paint. I don't want the blue paint to go into my orange paint, right? So go ahead and do that all the way around your leaves. If you switch colors, let's see, I haven't done any green. I'm going to switch to green a little bit. If you switch colors, try to blend your colors in the background, okay? So if I put green right here and it's just a big blob of green, okay, that's not going to look as nice as if I go back in the water and I take the line where the green and the blue touch and I kind of soften it so that it blends in a little bit, okay? Kind of make your colors be really friendly with each other, okay? We want them to touch and blend. Now I don't want to brush them all together, or I'll just have one big color. What color do you think it would make if I put those three together in one spot? Yeah, I think the purple's the darkest, so it might just overpower the other two colors, but it won't turn brown because we're not using any of the warm colors, but it probably won't be as pretty as if I just blend the edges of the colors together, okay? So try just to blend your edges of your colors. We should be able to see where there are different colors, but hopefully they won't have big sharp lines, okay? So see how I'm kind of softening that edge with a little bit of green right there. Ooh, it changed my blue into sort of a turquoisey blue. Look, it goes purple, blue, turquoise, and then I bet if I put some more green, ooh, pretty. So it's kind of going from one color to another color, and I really like how when I add water it softens that color so it's not too dark. Okay, try that, see how it goes for you. Okay, enjoy.